Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to buy and sell tokens on Dexscreener. So currently we're on the Dexscreener.com website. What we can do is to quickly go over to the left side and select the platform you would like to make your transaction. You have Moonshot, Solana, Base and other options. For this tutorial we'll be choosing Moonshot, and right here we're on Moonshot and you have your options here. So say we want to choose Parrot. We can choose this one, but before we do that, we need to go over to the top right corner and click on connect to connect our wallet. Click on connect. And then as you can see, we have the different options here. We have Phantom. Fortunately for us, we also have Phantom wallet installed on our web browser. However, you have the EVM and Solana. We're going to choose Phantom Solana and it's going to ask you to log in. So we're going to put in our password and click on unlock. Then it requests for a connection and we're going to click on connect. And now you can see our wallet is connected, and now we can go here and select Parrot. So here we can see the chart and the details right here, and on the right side you have the option to buy or sell. So if we're using the buy option, we can put in the amount of Solana we want to use to buy this. You could also decide the percentage slippage, and here you have the buy option. Of course, in our case we don't have enough funds, but if you do and you want to buy it, this is the way to go about it. For selling, you can simply go over to sell, click on it and put in the details, and then you can finally click on sell. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to buy and sell tokens on Dexscreener.